Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Cognito for inventory portals in Retool, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Cognito service. Select Manage User Pools. Click on Create a User Pool. Name your user pool according to your project needs. Configure the sign-in experience by choosing how users will log in. Select email address or username based on your preference. Adjust the security settings according to your requirements. Click Review Defaults once you have set your options. Now, review the settings and click Create Pool. You will see the Pools dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on App Clients. Select Add an App Client. Enter a name for your app client. Uncheck Generate Client Secret if using in a client application. Click Create App Client at the bottom. Take note of the App Client ID for later use. Return to the dashboard and click on Domain Name. Choose a domain name for your user pool. This name will be used for your authentication endpoint. Click Save Changes. Next, navigate to Authentication Providers. Configure Social Identity Provider. For now, let's proceed with the built-in user authentication. Browse to the User Pool Overview page. Click on Users and Groups on the left sidebar. Create a user for testing purposes. Fill in the required information and click Create User. Next, open Retool and navigate to the application where you want to set up. Click on Resources in the left sidebar. Select Create New. Choose REST API. In the Configuration section, enter a name for your API resource. Set the base URL to the user pool domain created earlier. Construct the endpoint for user authentication. This will typically be /OAuth2/token. Choose the authentication method as bearer token. Input the necessary. You can use Retool's environment variables for storing sensitive information. Test the request to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Now, create a query in Retool to retrieve user data after successful authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.